Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make chicken chops. While I am making the chicken chops, I will show the ingredients. I have taken 250 grams chicken, boneless chicken. This is minced up, not very fine. One capsicum cut up this size, some green peas, 1 inch ginger chopped up, crushed up, garlic also crushed up, and 1 green chili cut up. The other ingredients, while I am making it, then I will show you. So come on, let us start the recipe. First I will make the mixture for the chops. Put some oil. I will put the crushed up ginger and garlic. And the green chilies. Let the ginger and garlic and the green chili brown a bit. It's turned a bit golden brown. Now I will put the minced chicken. Put in the capsicum. And also put in the peas. Put some saffron, turmeric. Put salt to taste. Put some garam masala. Put some coriander leaves. Put half teaspoon red chili powder. This mixture is ready now. Now I will take it out in another container and let it cool down. This mixture is gone cold. Now I will mix some besan in it and make the chops. I will not mix water in this because with the oil only this will get mixed up. I will not put salt also because I have put sufficient salt. Now I'll just mix it well and make the chops. Now I will make the balls and fry it. Put some oil, refined oil. With the help of a spoon, I will make the balls this type, see, this type, see, this type the balls I will make, and I will put it in the oil to be fried, this type. The oil is turned hot. Now I will put in the balls, this type. This is how I will fry all the chops. Now I will take the chops out. Chicken chop is ready. Eat it with hot sauce, tomato sauce, chili sauce. Chicken chops are ready to be eaten. Thank you for watching my video.